ज़हीर सिद्दीकी साहब से कि वो स्टेज पे आएँ और नशिस्त का बाकायदा आगाज़।
What will you give, not financially, what will you give to find out how to live on this earth? In what matter one can live totally differently, not pursue some other quirky nonsense or painting new poems, new dances and new way of life, rest of that immature childish stuff. No. Can we realizing what our life is, actual life of existence on this earth, bring about a mutation, not a change, complete change. Therefore, we have to inquire together into what is continuity, what is it that continues in our life livings. A series of succession of events, experiences is the me, the person, the ego is a bundle of memories. One might like that idea, but one wants something more than more memories and wanting more. This is the brain attitude of all human beings. Some beyond memories, formation of memories, right? One is not satisfied with this memory but wants something more memory. I'm not using particular words, but I'm using only word memory. And it's the succession of different stories, experience, and bundle is me. Me mean we all human beings, and continuity is which is known. And how scared we are of something ending of all that. One has lived a long life of experience, knowledge, education. One has traveled all over the place, and we never inquire what is continuity and what is ending. Ending voluntarily something that you hold. Suppose one is greatly attached to a person, to a conclusion. That conclusion, however, historical, dialectical, lenient, and one is attached to all that like a lambent. Can one voluntarily, easily let it go? That is what death means. You don't argue what is death. You don't say, please give me another couple of days. No, there is no option. So that I can do everything orderly, it is there at the door. So, can one understand continuity to give to that continuity to an end? You understand what I am saying? To us, attachment means a great deal. It is most satisfying, a common experience to be attached to the earth, to certain beliefs, to certain dogmas, certain rituals, certain habits, and so on. One is greatly attached to a house, to furniture, to a habit. Can one become aware of it, that it will end completely one day? Are you aware? Not the day after tomorrow, but now. We are sitting, you are sitting, and everything will be finished. Becoming aware of this explanation, in reality, not the description, but the fact of the constant demand for continuity. And those may be continuity of our pleasures, possession, our family values, our property, my plots, my cars, my experience, my name, and perhaps we think that it will continue forever. But Suddenly death comes and it goes away.